amazing phenomena that happens exceptionally in floating on water that are exactly adjusted to our skin temperature and was approved by checking our brain waves, is we are reaching a state of deep sleep while we are still awake. That impacts immediately our nerve system, our muscle tonus, our internal organ tonus, our emotional body. Basically, our brain operates on beta waves when we are awake, alpha waves that creates a bigger gap when we are getting a little bit drowsy or sleepy or in kind of like meditative state. And then we can reach theta waves, which usually happens only when we go into deep sleep. Yet, while floating in warm water that are exactly our skin temperature, we can reach those brain waves while we're still awake, and that by itself already creates a phenomenal connection between our subconscious mind, our conscious mind, between what we allow ourselves to remember to what we usually prevent ourselves from remembering, allowing also, because of the looseness of our muscle tonus, for different memories of our body to surface up and to be touched. And when we're arriving to this unique states of consciousness, clearly we can arrive to one of the most deepest states and parts of our own soul that wants to be revealed in these healing modalities.